Hi there, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this RAG assistant that can be used with multiple models and you can train your own AI on any type of website. Okay, so you can see the snapshots of this assistant. Okay, there are multiple features of this free extension. So in this video, we will guide this or we will train our AI on YouTube. So I already opened a YouTube video of my own channel and we will train AI assistant on the YouTube website. Okay, so I already created YouTube AI assistant and I will obviously show you how you can also create your own AI assistant on any type of website. So let's say if you want to create a new assistant, first of all you just need to install this extension. Once you install this extension RAG assistant, you just need to click on this icon. Okay, it will open the sidebar. You just need to click on this assistants page. Okay, this one, and you can close this sidebar and it will open the assistants page here. Now you can create a new assistant by clicking on this icon and you can create your own AI assistant. It also provides functionality with knowledge base. You can also train your AI on knowledge base like web pages, files, YouTube videos and text file as well. But right now, because I already created the video how to create a RAG AI assistant on with this extension, you can follow that video. But in this video, I'm going to create a simple AI assistant that can help us to train on AI uh, on YouTube website. Okay, so let's create our AI assistant. So I already created it. I will show you how you can obviously create a similar AI assistant. So I will just click on edit this button. Okay, so I name this assistant YouTube AI assistant. You can name it as it is, or you can name it as per your needs. I just selected this avatar color. You can change it, and this is just for my understanding. So later I want to know what this assistant does, so this line can help me a lot. Okay, so this assistant helped me in extracting useful key data from youtube.com. Okay, it will work on any website, I mean on any YouTube video. So even if you open this video it will also work there as well. So I selected the GPT latest model because if I open my settings here, if I click the extension again, I open the settings here. So I have saved two API keys here. So two API keys at least needs to be set there. The first one you can either set Open API key or any of the other like Anthropic, Google, DeepSeek or Grok API key. And the second one that is must is Serper API key, because sometimes if your assistant needs to do some web search, needs to get some data from the web search like BTC data or weather information or live results from the Google, then you can set this Serper API key as well. You just need to create a Serper API key on this website and you can put it here. So either you can select or set Open API key or any of these four. This one, this one, this one, or this one. Okay, and you must need to set the Serper API key as well. So I use Open API key and I did leave empty all of them. Okay, so I will not use any of them. So I will only use Open API key and the Serper API key. Okay, but if you have Anthropic API key, you can remove it. You can save the Anthropic API key here, and you can use the Serper API key along with Anthropic API key. Okay, so that is it. I will for now close the sidebar so I can easily tell you how you can create your assistant. Okay, so I will be back to the same AI assistant creation step. So I selected the GPT latest model. You can select any model under Open API key. Because you have set the Open API key, so you can only select these models. Okay, so that is how it works. So now we can set the temperature here. This is fine as well. We can set the system prompt. So I have set the system prompt like you're an expert in extracting useful key data matrices from YouTube based on my sub action prompt. So each system prompt has multiple sub action prompt that I can select individually when I need some specific thing. Okay, so suppose that if I need to get the keywords frequencies, I will select this sub action. If I need to get keywords, tags, and hashtags, I will select this. If I need to generate the SEO tags, I will select this sub action. So I have already generated all of sub actions for my system prompt. Okay, and then I will leave the knowledge base empty, and this would be by default 4000 token because sometimes our output can be bit long and I will update the assistant. So if I edit this assistant again, and if I show my sub action, you can easily see that each sub action has specific prompt. Like if I show you keyword frequency analyzer, what this does, analyze the video description. So this is the prompt actually. Okay, so this is the prompt, and this is the sub action name. Okay, this is selection name and this is the prompt. So when you will select this specific quick action, it will combine this system prompt along with this specific sub action prompt, and it will send to the AI. So it will say like, if I select this, okay, copy and paste it here. So it will actually say like this: you're expert in useful data from YouTube, analyze the video transcription, description, and provide us the keywords used with their frequency. Okay, so when I will click on this sub action like keywords, tags, and hashtag extractor, it will combine this specific system prompt of that sub action along with the main system prompt. Okay, so it's saying analyze the video description, provide us with keywords, tags, and hashtags that are used in video description. You can also monitor the title for it. Okay, so this is how it works. So I will leave it as it is. So for the SEO, all types of you can say all types of sub action have their own prompts. Okay, so comments, sentiment mining, analyze top 100 comments or pain points. Chapter timestamp generator, generate chapter timestamp for this video summary for blog post, convert the video into blog post outline. Okay, thumbnail text suggester, suggest thumbnail text for this video. Affiliate link tracker, extract all product links and recommendation from the video description. So this is how it works. You can obviously set these sub action based on your own needs, and if you want to add quick action, you can click on this button. You can type the action name and a prompt template, okay, for your own needs. So I will just leave it as it is. I will update the system. Now it is time to test the system. So my assistant is already saved, YouTube AI assistant. So I will just go to YouTube and I will click on this icon. Okay, this icon, this will open the sidebar. I will click on analyze page. Even it has already analyzed, but I will again click on analyze page, and it will say that I have already analyzed this page. Okay, now I can ask anything about the YouTube video. So now let's do the testing. Now I just open a sidebar here. Now I can just disable the web search because we don't need any data from the web search. So I already asked, I already said hi, and it provided me a lot of data here, but we don't need that data for now. We will test all of the quick action that we have generated one by one. So let's start with our keyword frequency analyzer. So I just selected that quick action, and if I click on send button, and now let's wait for it. So now it's thinking, and there you go. So you can see based on the video description provided, because I already opened the video, so it has access to all of this text here. Okay, so it's saying rag assistant used 8 times, AI chat word used 6 times, and so on. So it already mentioned all of the words with their frequency that are used in this video description. Okay, so in this video description you can see this rag is used and all of the data is used there. So this is how the first quick action works. Now we will extract the keyword tags and hashtags from this video description. So if you do it manually, it's a lot of task and you need to put a lot of efforts. So I will just select this keywords, tags, and hashtag extractor, and I will click on send button. Now it's thinking, and let's wait for it. Okay, now you can see I have sent this request and you can see the response. These are the keywords, these are the tags, and these are the hashtags. So everything is mentioned separately from each other, and we can use it for our own analysis. Now we will use SEO tag generator. I will just click on this SEO tag generator. Okay, like this, and I will click on send button, and now it's thinking. So you can see each time we select specific action, it creates its prompt. And now you can see that primary tags, secondary tags, long tail keywords, competitor gap, and everything is mentioned correctly. Now we will click on description template extractor. We will send it, and now let's wait for it. So now you can see description template extractor provides us the description template, like how description is used. Like first we have used the title and description, introduction, and then links and contact information. There is link and contact information, and then features overview, educational content, and everything is mentioned according to our description template. Now we can obviously we can select any of other two, otherwise our video will be too long. So I will just click on this contact details extractor, and it will obviously tell us the Gmail and the WhatsApp that is being used in this video. Okay, so I will click on this, and now let's wait for it. Okay, now you can see that this is the Gmail and this is the WhatsApp number. You can also click on affiliate link tracker. It will extract all product links and recommendation if there are some product links in our video description. Okay, so right now I'm not using, so let's wait for it what it does. I'm sure it will say that there's no product information in the video description. So now let's wait for it. Okay, so it is correct. It only provided the link of Rag Assistant, okay, because it has been used here, and the contact information. There are no other product links in our video description. So this is how it works. Okay, so this is how the assistant works. You can also use this assistant on any type of page, on any type of video. Okay, so now I will also show you that if you want to use these quick actions or assistant on the web page, you can also do that. So suppose that if you have the video description on any other page, you can select the video description like this. You can click on two more assistants, and there is our YouTube AI assistant, and you can obviously click on any quick action. Okay, like this. So if I click on keyword frequency analyzer, it will also provide me the output here as well. So you can see there is the output, and you can just copy it from here. Okay, so this is how you can copy it from any web page. Not only this, if you select some specific text, like if I select this specific text here, and this text is already selected in our sidebar, and now I can ask anything. Like if I say what is contact details, it will it will also get the text details from our selected text only. Okay, so now it provided you the instant response. Okay, otherwise if you don't select the text, it will get all page content, and it will send our prompt along with all page content. So if we select specific text, like if I select this specific text, now it will only process this specific text here. You can see this is the selected text. Now if I ask it like what is affiliate link, now it will tell me that there are no affiliate link in this specific selected text. You can see there are no product links because now it only processed this specific uh, context here. Okay, so this is how this assistant works. Not only this, you can also attach files here. You can also attach images here. You can take the snapshot. You can provide your own recorded voice here, and you can chat with our own AI assistant. Okay, so this is how it works. And not only this, if I open the RAG AI assistants here, you can also chat in the full chat view mode as well. So you can see here, you can provide the context here, and you can select the specific keyword frequency analyzer or any type of quick action, and you can process it as you want. And this is how it works. You can also set the prompts here. Like if you want to save some prompts, you can set the prompts here, and this also works fine there without any types of problems. So that's it for this video. If you want to follow this channel, you can subscribe, and in the next video I will provide you details how you can do the web search feature and how you can get the live details from the web search. Okay, and if you didn't subscribe the channel, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can follow our channel. The most important feature that I just missed is you can also see the prompt here as well. So if you see the prompt, it show you how our AI sent to the AI, like how our AI processed the prompt. So what was actually the prompt here? Okay, so that is also the feature of this extension. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I hope you will wait for the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.